Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study science and technology for UPSC. To build a strong foundation, start by thoroughly understanding the UPSC syllabus for science and technology. Next, focus on fundamental concepts, primarily from NCERT textbooks, especially those from classes 6 to 10. This foundational knowledge is crucial. Identify key areas such as space technology, defense advancements, biotechnology, and information technology, as these frequently appear in examinations. After building your foundation, it's vital to link static knowledge with current affairs. Regularly read newspapers and reputable science magazines to stay updated on new developments. Connect the core syllabus topics with recent scientific and technological advancements, understanding their practical applications. Analyze how these current events relate to India's national policies, economic implications, and international relations, as this holistic view is often tested. For effective preparation, utilize reliable resources. Government reports, especially those from the Ministry of Science and Technology, offer authentic information. Solving previous years' question papers is crucial to understand exam patterns and the types of questions asked. Dedicate time to practice writing answers for both the preliminary and main examinations consistently, focusing on clarity and conciseness in your responses. Consistent revision is key to mastering science and technology. Create concise notes for quick revision of complex scientific and technological terms and concepts. Regularly revise all topics to ensure long-term retention of information, perhaps dedicating one day a week. Finally, develop a strategic approach to tackle both objective and subjective questions effectively, managing your time wisely during the actual examination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.